How to create a custom CDN in Wix. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be comparing two content delivery networks. The first one is the global leader Serve.com and the second one is Kaleido CDN, which is a custom content delivery network that I made myself. I'll be posting a video soon on how you can make your custom content delivery network to focus on your particular brand. So I performed some speed tests on Google Page Speed Insights, and Sirv.com on mobile ranked 13, while Sirv.com on desktop got a rank of 63, which is pretty low for a content delivery network. Another CDN named Bunny CDN ranked 49 on mobile and 81 on desktop, which is pretty good for a content delivery network. And now comes the custom CDN that I made, Kaleido LLC server.gq. It ranked 87 on mobile and a freaking 96 on desktop, which is the fastest if compared to Sirv.com and Bunny CDN. Now you might be wondering, how can I achieve such high speeds for my content delivery network? The simple answer is, I am the creator and I have more control over it. And as mentioned before, I'll be rolling out a video on how to create your custom CDN soon. Now moving to the video, the first thing of course that you need to do is go to the Wix editor. I've created a page named CodeWithSid for the purpose of this video. You need to click add, go to images and click my image uploads. Now all you need to do is wait for it to load and select your image you want to add to your website. Now after adding the image, you can resize it according to your needs. Now let's save and publish this site. So now let's move on to the published page. So as you can see, the image has been added successfully. And if you click open image in new tab, you can see that the CDN provider in this case is static.wixstatic.com. The main reason why you need to use your custom CDN in such cases is to focus on your brand. So now we'll try to add an image from Sirv, that's our custom CDN provider. I'll first upload the image. Click on the image. You can see the various options available. You need to copy this code, go back to the Wix editor, click add, click on embed, click on embed a widget. Now you need to enter the code. Just paste the code copied from sirv.com. Click update and you're all done. You need to resize the image so that it fits properly. So now let's publish the website again. And reload this page. So now the second image is provided by sirv.com. This one is from Wix and this one is from sirv.com. So as you can see, I get a custom subdomain from Sirv. So my main domain is kaleidollc.com and the domain that I got from Sirv is Kaleido LLC CDN. Now let's try out the CDN that I made myself. I'll upload a file. First I need to select the album and upload the image. So now I directly get the URL to my image. I'll just copy this URL and go back to the Wix editor. Now again, click on add, go to embed, click embed a widget, click on enter code. So use the attribute image source is equal to and paste the image URL. and close this tag. Click update and now resize the image so that it fits properly. Now let's publish the site again and reload the page. So as you can see, the third image provided is from my custom CDN Kaleido LLC server.gq. So the reason I did this is to focus on my brand. You can even get a .com domain, but for the purpose of this video, I chose a .gq domain, which is free. So thanks for watching this video. Sub